Hello family and friends, welcome to another video and thanks again for clicking this video. Today we are going to have very simple chicken recipe. As you can see, the chicken is frozen. I'm going to dip it in water so that it can melt. Thanks again for clicking this video. I've not been posting for a while. I've been having some issues. As you see, the chicken have already frozen and I'm now slicing into pieces. Thanks guys for always coming back to watch on me. I appreciate you all. As you can see, I'm slicing the chicken we had ordered from another mama. She sells chicken. Yes, she just slaughter them for you. Yes guys, I don't know what to say. I just want to appreciate you all for always coming back to watch on me. Yes, guys, as you can see, I'm still slicing. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to another vlog. As you can see, that one is River and it's gizzard. I've already sliced my tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger, and coriander. So you can see them. And I'm going to use turmeric powder, black pepper powder, and cinnamon powder, and salt. Yes, guys, and black pepper. Yes, and I'm going first of all to start adding onion, ginger, and garlic in the pot, and I'm going to add only little oil, and I'm going to give it a good stir till the onions are broken, and I'm going to add tomatoes, and I'm going to stir them till they are all broken, and I'm going to add turmeric, pinch of turmeric powder. Yes guys, and I'm also going to add a pinch of cinnamon powder. Let me know in the comment section how you always prepare your chicken. And I'm going also to add black pepper. Yes guys, and now it's time to add the sliced chicken. As you can see guys, the chicken was very I think it was 0.5 kg. It was heavy. Yes guys, as you can see now, I'm trying to mix them all together. Yes guys, let's support each other. Let's visit each other house so we can grow. You cannot grow by yourself. You need your friends to support you. You need friends to motivate you. Yes guys, and I'm going to cover. Yes, and after some minutes I'm going again to mix together so it cannot burn. As you see guys, let's support each other. I'm back to my cooking. Before I had a lot of traveling, I'm adding salt now. Yes, now I wanna cook again. Yes guys, and I'm going to give it a good stir. Enjoy the video with me.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it.
Since I don't have cooking cream, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of flour, and I'm going to mix properly and add to the chicken so it can become creamy and thick. Yes, now I'm mixing and I'm going to let it cook for some minutes. Yes, guys, enjoy the video.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mystery. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it.
I'm now testing if the salt is okay. You can see the thickness of the soup. Yes, see, just have a look at the texture. It looks yummy. Yes, guys. Thanks, guys, for being with me this far. I appreciate you all. I don't take you for granted. I say a very, very big thank you. As you can see, the soup is looking inviting, and I wanna prepare ugali. I'm going to use ugali with my chicken. As you see, this a pot of ugali. Thanks, guys, again for being with me this far. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, smashing the red button, hitting the notification bell so whenever I upload a video you'll be notified. And to all my beloved returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. I say thank you for always being with me. As you can see, our delicious plate of simple chicken recipe. Thanks, guys, for being with me this far. God bless you all. Bye.